Welcome to Imex Homes. At Imex Homes, we blend artistry with innovation to craft bespoke furniture that's as unique as your vision. With 18 years of dedication to craftsmanship and sustainability, we're an undeniable force to be partnered with. Keep watching to see how we turn ordinary spaces into extraordinary experiences. Rooted in tradition yet propelled by innovation, Imex Homes is your partner in creating spaces that resonate with elegance and functionality. From the first sketch to the final touch, our commitment to excellence is unwavering. Our journey begins with understanding your vision. In our personalized consultations, we dive deep into your style, functional needs, and aspirations. And to ensure complete transparency and peace of mind, our state-of-the-art advanced order-to-delivery FMS system keeps you and your clients informed with real-time updates from order to delivery. It's not just about crafting furniture, it's about crafting trust. Watch as our team transforms your vision into detailed designs and lifelike renderings. With cutting-edge technology and creative expertise, we ensure each concept captures the essence of your aesthetic and practical requirements. In our state-of-the-art workshop, skilled craftsmen breathe life into designs. Experience the magic as raw materials transform into masterpieces, each piece echoing the essence of your design. The moment it all comes together, our meticulous team ensures a smooth, precise installation, treating your space with the utmost care. We're not just fitting furniture, we're crafting an experience, ensuring every piece sits perfectly within your design space. Stay stress-free as our dedicated project managers keep everything on track, respecting your time and vision. With regular updates and transparent communication, we guarantee a journey that's as satisfying as the final outcome. And there it is, your vision realized. At Imex Homes, we don't just craft furniture, we create spaces where stories unfold and dreams are designed. Imex Homes, where innovation meets tradition and your vision becomes our mission. Let's create spaces that inspire. Connect with us today to start a partnership built on trust, quality, and unmatched elegance. Together, we'll bring the art of design to life, one space at a time.